Let us now look at project dependencies in a little bit more detail. We'll be looking at a project called Office Computers, and if we scroll down we can see what this project is about. Every employee needs a computer to get his work done, and this project is for the IT team to install computers on every employee's desk. It is led by Sarah Deutsch. Now if we scroll all the way down, we see that this project depends on three other projects. It depends on the completion of electrical systems, so there is electricity. It depends on the completion of the telephone and internet cables, and it depends on all the office furniture being in place. We can see here the status of each dependency project and also the estimated completion date. We see here that none of these projects have their estimated completion date set up, probably because they haven't even started. The advantage of this view is that Sarah can easily see when a dependency project will be completed, and she can plan her own project accordingly. And if she wanted more details about any project, she can simply click on it. For example, if we click on office furniture, we see the page for all the details about office furniture. We see that it's an active project and its estimated completion date has not yet been set. If we scroll all the way down, we see that this project itself depends on two other projects. It depends on all the interior development, all the tiling, painting, everything being done, and it depends on all the office layouts being decided. Again, we can see here the status and the estimated completion date of each project. If we wanted to go further into detail about any other dependency project, we can simply click on it, and that will render the page for that project. Once again, we can scroll down and see if this project itself depends on other projects, and indeed it does. Project dependencies allow you to see in advance when your dependent projects will be completed, and that tells you when you can start your own project. In this way, you can synchronize all related projects by creating dependencies between them. This makes the system very efficient. The next menu item is called Team Status, and let us see what it does by clicking on it. At any given time, Albert Einstein will want to know what each member of his team is currently working on. So this view tells him what projects each member of his team is working on. It shows him the status of each of their projects and also how many milestones have been completed. This gives him an estimate of how busy each team member is and whether they can handle more projects if necessary. Let us now look at communication in Quasimodo. If you look at the left side of your screen, you'll see a dialog box with Project Cast written on it. A project cast is a way to send a message to all members of a particular project, just like you would send an email. So you select the project, you can type a subject. For example, I'll say electricity requirements, and then you write the message itself. So for example, I'll say please give me your electricity requirement, and then you click send, and once you do that, the message will be sent to all members of the project that you selected. People can access their Project Cast messages by clicking on the Project Cast menu which appears on the top. So if I click on Project Cast, I can see the message right here. So let me enlarge it. So here is the message, and it gives a timestamp of when it was sent. To get more information about the message, I simply click on it, and the message contents appear right here. So it tells who sent the message, when it was sent, and also the subject and details about the message itself. Now This is not a simple messaging service. If I scroll down, I see that I can add comments to this message. So different people can add their comments to the message and it becomes a complete discussion forum. Let us now look at an earlier message to see how the discussion forum works. So if I click on this message, I see its contents. I see that it was sent by Albert Einstein. It is about trash management at the airport, and Albert Einstein wanted people to give their opinions on how to manage the trash generated at the airport in an efficient and enviro-friendly manner. So if we scroll down, we see that different people have given their opinions. There is a message from Utku, one from Sarah, Sunita, and also another from Reza. So we see that by different interaction between different people, a project cast becomes a complete discussion forum. Another way to send a message to people is through announcements. An announcement is exactly like a project cast, except that the message is sent to all members on your team regardless of what project they are working on. Project casts and announcements are a way to send a message and start a new thread of discussion. But there are forums associated with pretty much every aspect of Quasimodo. There are forums associated with each project. So if we scroll all the way down of a project view, we can click on view comments, and we see here that there is a forum associated with the project. In fact, we see that some people have already started using this forum for this project. There are forums associated with each milestone. So if I click on any milestone, I see that it has a forum associated with it. So people can discuss this milestone. There are forums associated with each requirement. So if I click on any requirement, I can see that there is a forum associated with it. This forum allows people to discuss a requirement and be clear what is expected from them. There are forums also associated with calendar events. So if I look at this meeting event on the calendar, I scroll all the way down, I see there is a forum associated with it. This forum allows people to discuss some ideas even before they come into the meeting, so that when the meeting starts, they are more or less on the same page, and this results in a more productive meeting. So we can see that forums are ubiquitous in Quasimodo. So feel free to communicate as much as you like, resolve issues, exchange ideas, and come up with better solutions.